I hope you have a good time. Look at the product. Isn't it awesome? Okay, bye. Peace.
Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for stopping in. I am so excited to bring you this review of the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. Now, as always, I like to show you guys what the product looks and feels like. So as you can see, it does have a creamy consistency. It is a thicker product. I'm going to jump right into the do's and don'ts because I want you to learn from my mistakes. The first don't, please do not apply this product directly to your hair. You want to put it in the palms of your hands or in between your fingers. Make sure you are spreading the product first and then evenly distributing it throughout your hair. So I'm just going to put that out there. I did learn the hard way. As you can see in this clip, I took a generous amount, well, probably more than a generous amount. I was so excited to use it that I actually applied it directly to my daughter's hair. I don't recommend that. As you can see throughout the video, I'll do a lot of smoothing just because it just lays there, it just coated her hair. So I had to do a lot of smoothing to get like the cast and the not flaking, but just the buildup, if you will. It just kind of stayed in one spot. It was a little difficult to move, so I had to do rigorous smoothing and squeezing just to make sure I was distributing the product. So that's my first tip. Now, I sped up this clip. Again, this is the first time that we used the product. As I went on throughout, I started at the front and then I worked my way to the back of her hair. As I got the hang of the best way to use the product, my application process got a lot better. But again, I want to put that out there. You want to make sure that you're using a decent amount. Now, you also want to make sure that you are using a moisturizing product underneath. I found that this was actually a sealing oil, or excuse me, a sealing cream, not a moisturizing cream. So you want to make sure that you're using something moisturizing underneath. The product does recommend that you use your favorite leave-in conditioner. So I would pair it with your favorite leave-in conditioner that is moisturizing or your favorite moisturizing product. Take a shot of water every time I say moisturizing. um, a little bit does go a long way. Again, the smoothing, I applied way too much to her hair. So you want to make sure that you're using a decent amount, but you don't have to go overboard. This product does have a lot of oils. It has shea butter, which is a heavy butter, and then it has a lot of oils as well. So a little bit really does go a long way. Other than that, once I got into the hang of how to actually use the product, I really did enjoy it, guys. It gave my daughter beautiful results, which you'll see towards the end. The end of the video, I'm showing you a twist out that I did on her hair. Our application process was a lot better. I used a smaller amount of product. I took my time and worked it in. I used it on her hair damp, so it wasn't soaking wet and it wasn't dry. But y'all, once I got into the idea of the best way to use this product, I loved it. One last thing that I do want to say is if you are like me and you don't prefer the smell of shea butter, you want to make sure that the other moisturizing products that you're using or whatever you're pairing this with smells good, just so it can kind of take over the fragrance because it does smell like shea butter. It doesn't really linger for long, but just a heads up. Okay, fam, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you have some tips and tricks on the Melanin styling cream, or if you just want to share your thoughts, let's chat down below in the comments section. Whitney Natural 85, thank you so much for creating this bomb product. I am forever a supporter and I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching and coming by. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Are we friends on Instagram yet? Check the info box down below for my Instagram, my blog details, and let's connect. Bye, guys.